When buying your home, you are going to want to put your best foot forward every step along the way. So let's talk about the difference between being pre-qualified and pre-approved for your home loan. Hello, welcome back to my channel, BB Knows. My name is Brandy.Baker. I'm a local realtor here in Michigan, and I am here to tell you all that I know about real estate. So if you haven't already, like and subscribe right below. And if you have any questions about real estate, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. I'd love to answer them. I love interacting. Let's get started so that you can have the best understanding of the difference between being pre-qualified and pre-approved for your home mortgage loan. So with the pre-qualification stage, it is basically like a soft entry into buying your home. You're going to have a conversation with the lender, and you can choose whatever lender you want, but my strong recommendation is that you go with the preferred lender through your realtor. Your realtor is going to have a good working relationship with that lender if they're offering them to you to use. So they might be able to get questions answered quicker. They might be able to get documents or papers processed quicker. So you're really going to want to go with your preferred lender, your realtor's preferred lender. However, again, totally up to you. So this lender, the conversation that you're having with them, they're going to be asking you what you make annually, what does your credit look like, do you have any major collections, have you filed bankruptcy in the last so years. They're just going to ask you basically, what does your financial history look like. They will ask you also, how much do you have saved up for a down payment. So this is your opportunity to be upfront, give all the most accurate information that you have. If you know your credit's not great, let them know. If you know your credit is awesome, let them know. If you don't have a ton of money down saved up for your down payment, that's also something you can tell them up front. And you can also tell them what you want to pay monthly for your mortgage. So this is going to give your lender the opportunity to find the best loan type for you, whether it's FHA, conventional, 15-year, 30-year, whatever. It's going to give them the insight into what's going to be best for you. And it's also going to let them know how much house they can tell you you can afford based on what you want to pay monthly for that home. So the difference, though, is that they're not verifying your information. So they're not going to ask you for any documentation. They're simply going to have a conversation with you. And they will do a soft credit pull, which won't affect your credit, but it'll give them an idea of what your credit looks like. In essence, the pre-qualification stage is a good idea. It's going to give you insight into what your credit looks like. So if there's anything you need to fix, you can fix that. If you need to take a step back and save some more for your down payment, you can also do that without moving forward and doing any hard inquiries into your credit. Now, when it comes to the pre-approval stage, this is the stage in which you are going to have all of your documentation verified so that the lender and the realtor know exactly what you can be looking at. The pre-qualification stage will give you an estimate of what type of house you can look at. The pre-approval stage is going to give you an almost guaranteed dollar amount that the bank can lend you. So they are going to want your W-2s, your tax statements, your bank statements, and your most recent paycheck stubs. And they're going to do a hard inquiry on your credit. They're going to verify all of your documentation and then give you a dollar amount of what they know that the bank, or what they can 99% guarantee what the bank will lend you. The reason I say it's not 100% is because if you decide from the pre-approval letter to run your credit to open up some department store credit cards, or to try to get a new Visa or MasterCard in the meantime, that will affect your credit. So you don't want to do that. But if you do, that may also affect how much money the bank can loan you, because you are now affecting your credit score. So you don't want to do that. And your realtor will tell you this. But the pre-approval letter will also tell the realtor, so it's telling the realtor how much house you can afford. So it's going to give them exactly what they can show you. We are not in the business of teasing you and showing you homes that you cannot buy. So that'll be a great thing to have moving into working with your realtor. It's also going to be helpful in a multi-offer situation. So if you have your pre-approval letter, that is going to strengthen your offer, because when it's time for them to go over the multiple offers, they'll see that yours is for sure going to be able to afford this home. Hopefully this information has been helpful to you in your home buying process. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I love when people ask me questions. My information is right over here. If you love my content, of course, just subscribe right below and you can hit the bell so that you're aware of when I put out new content. Other than that, you guys have a great day and I'll see you next time.